after Times Network exposed the black marketing of plasma in Delhi, Mirror Now brings you a peek into how it actually works. Mirror Now's Alok visited Delhi's first plasma bank in Vasant Kunj to bring us an insight into the process of plasma donation.
A day after Times Network broke the plasma racket, now Times Network, Mirror Now, in fact, now going to show you the exclusive visuals of the Delhi's Plasma's bank. And here, this is the first plasma bank of India. My video journalist Amil is showing you there. In fact, Aam Aadmi Party senior leader, she had also come here to donate her plasma. Atishi Marlena, she was affected with the corona and now she has recovered, so she has come. There is another person who has come forward and he is donating his plasma. So here are the beds where in the similar pattern how you donate the blood, in that way it is all going on. And in fact, if you see that, definitely this is the process which are required and many people are being requested to come forward. In fact, Aam Aadmi Party and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has also requested the people to come forward to donate the plasma. Around 25 to 30 people are coming here to donate their plasma daily. And if you see this whole process, there are many doctors, teams are there, many other healthcare workers are there who are helping out. This is one of the screen which is kept over here that you can get the photograph over here. If person come over here, his photograph is also pasted on this board. For the message, here you can see this is the board on which you can write the message. How do you feel after donating the plasma? There is the counseling center also. If you see that, my video journalist Amil will show you that here is the counseling center. First, you have to be counseled over here. There are teams of doctors and counselors are sitting. They are counseling the person who is a donor when he comes over here. And after that, if you go other side, there is the plasma bank. So this way, the whole activity is going on. Definitely, it is helping out the people because daily the number of cases are rising. But in the similar pattern, the people are also getting recovered as well. With video journalist Amil, I am Alok for Mirror Now.
Plasma donation is very simple. You just need to call a simple number 1031. As soon as you dial that number and press 0 that you are willing to donate plasma, your call will be forwarded to a helpline where our volunteers are sitting 24 hours at Project Step 1. We will take your call, we will counsel you, we will see whether you are fit to donate plasma and we'll book you immediately to your preferred date and time, and free cab will be sent to your house to pick you up and to drop you as well, and everything is very smooth. It's a very smooth process and I would urge all of you to come and donate plasma.
Sir, there is also the process of exchanging the donors, that if one is giving, then you can bring for other also. What is that? Is that compulsory or not?
Sure. So there are two ways that we are encouraging donors. One is a completely voluntary donor. So see, our aim is that in the future this should become entirely voluntary. There should be no replacement donor required. But right now we don't have enough plasma units to give to everybody. So we would urge you that if you require any blood group, just bring a donor of any other blood group as well. Okay. And we have enough units here to replace according to your blood group that is needed.
And Mirror Now also caught up with AAP leader Atishi Marlena, who had come to the plasma bank to donate her plasma. Remember, Atishi had also been infected by COVID-19 and she said that she feels good to save someone's life and urged more people to come forward to donate their plasma.
You have come here to donate your plasma. How do you feel?
No, I think it's an amazing opportunity. I think that it's very rarely that in life we get the opportunity to save someone's life. And I am grateful that I am being able to donate my plasma. Would also like to urge all the people who are corona survivors and who are medically eligible to come forward and donate their plasma to please come forward, not be scared. Your plasma can save someone's life.
Okay, ma'am, one thing important that because this is Plasma Bank, first India's Plasma Bank, but there are again some kind of anomalies now taking place, and in fact rackets are now coming up. We have reported yesterday as well. our Times Network broke that story also, where we showed that how these people are making money out of it. What do you say about this thing and how the people should take care of that?
No, this is very unfortunate, and this is one of the reasons why this plasma bank was started, so that there can be no malpractices around plasma donation, and which is why we have a whole system here of plasma donation, so that people can, via their hospitals, take the plasma without having to get into the pressure of giving money or being conned. We will also, of course, take strongest action against any such case that comes before our notice.